Okay, so today we will have a quick look at another motherboard. In this case it's a Microstar, it's an MS7797. And yeah, let's see, we have a CPU on it. I will keep that. The rest I won't scrap because this board typically, as just as the other one we had yesterday before yesterday, uh, you can typically sell those for 25 to 35 bucks if they still work. So naturally I will test them, put in a fresh battery, clean it up, and then sell it for the 25 to 35. So let's have a quick look. There's nothing much on it really. You will have some gold plated pins in the slots, but it's not worth getting them out. It's just the tips that are gold plated and very thinly. You have a couple of ICs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, that's it about. We have a silver crystal here, and then another one here. We have under this cooler there's a Northbridge chip. It will be a gold corner PGA. The battery is a lithium, not a silver battery. Then these pins here, these ones, they are gold plated, but so very intensely thin you almost can't tell it's there at all, so leave them on. It's not worth getting them. Yeah, the battery ran out. The only pins worth getting are these. Then on the back side we have nothing. We have some MLCCs we can pick, but that's it. And on the front we have a couple of MLCCs like here and here, but they are not labeled, so we don't know what it is. These ones are MLCCs, but other than that there's nothing on it. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. Enjoy your day.